What's this plane, babe?
This is a Blenheim bomber, and this is what my great uncle was flying when he was shot down over the Hague, Netherlands.
Right.
I think it was a raid on airfield, Ypenburg airfield, and he shot down and killed.
He was flying one of these?
He was the pilot of one of these three-man crew.
Okay.
And he shot down and killed over 1940, I think it was.
1940.
We're definitely going to go see the grave once we get a camper. Once we start going abroad, we're definitely going to see the grave for that.
So, what happened to his plane?
He got shot. Well, basically, he got shot down.
Yeah. Have they found the plane?
All right. Yeah. They found the plane, and they dug it up, and they made a small museum in the airfield.
Right.
I think that's closed now, but I did get in contact with them, and when I found out, when I started looking into it, and they sent me some videos of the engines and the propellers, and the armor plate which stands behind the pilot. That's about all that's left.
Oh wow!
That's all that's left of it. But apparently the propeller is what do you call it, ornament in some company has got this propeller.
All right.
In the front thing, like.
So maybe you could put a picture of your granddad.
Yeah, I'll see.
Is it granddad or uncle? Did you say?
Great uncle. Because the family lost two great. There was three of them. My two great uncles and my grandmother.
Right.
They lost both great uncles during the war. One at the beginning, the pilot, and one at the end. He was in the army.
Maybe you can put a picture up of them.
Yeah, I'll see if I can find any. I'll have to have a look. I know we got the video of the pictures of the engines and propellers, but I don't know if I got pictures of them. I'll have to have a look. See the bomb site up here. We used to look into. You see. So the pilot sat on a thing one side. Christ.
That's where you don't want to be.
Surprisingly big.
Look at that one over there. What's that? Ruins something.
What?
Was it a plane?
Is it a bird? Plane? No, it's Superman. No. Oh, short Sterling. Jesus Christ. That's what I pasted. Is that?
Look at that. Look at it. Must have had a bomb through the side or something. Or maybe that's where it crashed.
It's up, isn't it? Yeah, could be. Jesus wept. There's a section on display by there. So the wings would come out.
Oh yeah, that's the bit there.
So the centre of the wings here somewhere then, so is that the wing there?
Don't know.
Must be.
Don't know. It's amazing though, isn't it?
Babe.
Yeah.
Look, it's got a ball sack at the back. It has, look, it's a pair of nuts in there. It's got a scrotum. Look at it, it's got a scrotum there. That is a big bloody plane though, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, tank.
What's it? Centurion? That engine, Rolls-Royce Meteor, is the same as Merlin engine in Spitfire. We get
right.
A bit modified for ground work, not...
Yeah.
The Hunter, he said that's that one, that's like that one that crashed down by you in Lancing.
In Lancing, yeah.
Yeah, Yeah.
Killed all those people.
Babe, it's a Vickers.
Yeah.
It's a Vickers.
I won't be Vickers for much longer, babe.
No.
Another couple of weeks.
Yeah.
That's going to be strange.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be strange.
Yeah.
Yeah, me ordering you about, telling you where.
Yeah, any dreams, babe, any dreams.
Well, let me dream, yeah.
Yeah, you can definitely dream, babe. But
yeah. I never saw one of these, Vickers Valiant.
That's a big one, isn't it?
Well,
What's that above up there, look? Right up.
No, I do remember them. It's a Canberra. It's a Canberra. It was one of them. I remember seeing them flying over the primary school yard.
Really? I've never seen anything like that. I don't remember any planes.
We live,
mind you,
the Gower opposite is Pendine.
Yeah.
And that's a military range. No, it's a range.
A
gunnery range.
Yeah.
So you'd have stuff like this flying over all the time at low level.
So I don't remember any of that when I was growing up.
A Buccaneer.
Is that what they that nose thing there? Will they do
refuel?
Refuel.
Yeah, air-to-air refueling with that.
Yeah.
Yeah. But not that.
No.
That's a pitot tube, and that tells the plane how fast it's going through the air.
Oh, okay.
It's sensors in it, you know.
Oh, okay.
It's a Russian thing, a big 20 thing. I do remember these flying over. See, that TSR-2, right over there.
Yeah.
They cancelled it and ordered this, but this never came to fruition.
Right.
So they didn't buy anything then.
Oh.
But I do remember these flying over Gower. The Yank stuff is always noisy as hell. Yeah. Really loud.
Nice looking plane.
Yeah.
Oh, I suppose they just climb up into it.
And then you got the...
Huge, isn't it? Oh, the wings come out, don't they?
Yeah. Well, it seems a tornado.
Fly,
because
pull out.
That TSR-2 over there, right, was as good as the tornado was. And the tornado came into... I think it came in about 1980, 85. It came into service.
Yeah.
And that thing was designed in the 65.
Oh.
So it would have been 10 years earlier and just as good.
Blimey.
No. That's a Andy Page Victor.
Got a tail on that.
The what?
The tail.
The what?
The tail. It goes up. And it's got another little plane on the top.
Yeah. And the air brakes there. See them things? These come out like Prince Charles's years.
All right.
Oh no, he's King Charles now, isn't he? What am I off? King Charles now.
Yeah.
I like a pig in shit in here, babe. I love this stuff. Fucking love this stuff. I swallowed all bloody information. That's why I'm a fat bastard, because I swallowed all the information.
How big it is, look.
Yeah. Well, these three, right? These three bombers, that, that, and the Vulcan there, right, were supposed to sing that.
Underwire.
Right, yeah, that thing.
What?
That is
pointing at, babe. I don't know what that thing is.
That big white thing missile over there is I think it's a blue steel nuclear missile.
Okay. I've never seen you move so fast.
See, bear. Yeah. See, I was right.
Oh, that's really, really nice.
Rocket exhaust. I'm like after a curry.
Yeah.
Yellow stripe there is a Hunter.
Yeah.
That's F-86 Sabre.
Right.
American thing, but
beautiful.
in UK colours. Skyboat missile. But I was right with that. Blue steel, is it? It was an early cruise missile.
Really?
Yeah. That's
What is it?
English Electric Lighting. And it's one of the only planes. They did war games during the Cold War, and the Americans thought nothing could ever catch the SR-71
Right.
because it was so fast and flew
Yeah.
so high.
Does they go up, right up, does it?
One bloke did it. He went higher in one of them.
Jeez,
It's a video on
really?
YouTube about it.
Really?
Yeah. I think he went to like 100,000 feet or something like that.
God. So,
What is this thing?
what else do you know then? Hey?
Huh?
What else do you know?
You what?
What else do you know about the
I
plane?
know that is up and that's down.
Know about that plane?
Well, they use a lot of them in
Canada.
Yeah, there's Ice Pilots. There's a series on. I don't know what channel it's on now. You can still watch it.
Probably.
No, it's on Netflix. But you can still watch it. It's Ice Pilots, and they fly these every day as passenger planes.
Oh, okay.
So, right. The hell. That's what Chimp in work. When he goes to the toilet, he drops one of them.
Nuclear.
It's nuclear. Hunt for Red October. That's all you know about typhoons. Is this a Russian tea? Something? Oh, leopard. Oh, no, leopard. It's German then. Reminds me of the things off UFO.
Huh?
The little tank things off UFO. The Jerry Anderson thing, the series from the 70s.
Oh, yeah.
Shadow, something, isn't he?
That little thing. Is that like to destroy a bomb or something?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
Wheelbarrow, remote deck wheelbarrow. Second half, urban terrorism. Yeah, bomb disposal.
Bomb disposal, that's it.
Yeah. Look how small that thing looks in here. It looks like a fucking Audi car, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Among all this stuff.
Really small. Why is that thing on the front of it? Is it a radio?
VIP platform. What's this? It says here. Flagpole.
Oh, it's a flagpole.
Handrails.
Oh, it's a real thing, is it? VIP.
March 2002.
It's a VIP car. Mine, a little boy.
Oh, I did look at this one.
I'd love to have a go at this.
It's like a snow buggy.
I would love to have a go at that. Won't bloody fit in it, but I'd love to have a go in it.
You would never fit in that
No,
door.
no chance.
Look at that little
You're gonna
door.
crawl. You're gonna go there for the top. No way.
The little hat.
Be fun though. I'll get there. That's a fucking big thing too. Look at that. That is big. That is big.
What is it?
Short Belfast, according to this.
Look at that one with the back open.
MH-53.
Jump out of.
That's a US,
Oh, it's a helicopter.
US Air Force helicopter.
Yeah.
Pave low. I think that's means it's got combat stuff, electronics and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah.
Big old bus, isn't it? For a
Yeah.
helicopter.
The guns on out the side.
Oh, it's a minigun. Hasta la vista, baby.
Strange front of it on it.
That's the electronics, the radar. There's some sort of sensor. And
What's those those people there? Do you think people that have flown it?
aircraft commander,
Yeah.
chief pilot.
Right.
I don't know, FEAG, gunner, half gunner, FE. Well, it's
So-
probably something to do with electronics. 'Cause like I said, you got a radar and things in here. That's what all these knobs and things are.
Knobs.
Yeah. And then
Big
this
knob.
comes out. This extends out so you can refuel in air.
Oh, this.
Yeah. Because the rotors are in the way of the thing.
Oh, that refuel.
Yes, this extends out well above about here.
All
And you
right.
can refuel then
Oh,
in the air.
that's handy.
Well, it's better than stopping in the
Going
nearest
down,
ESO
yeah.
and blimmin' pumping for 3 hours. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm going into paid every card decline. What the f is that thing? It's been in the wood.
Oh yeah.
Sky flash, heard of that?
It's made of wood.
Surface to air, ground control from the ground, 11 miles, 2-stage rocket fuel booster. So that's the first stage, and then there's the second. And then we fired them. 84, 82 we used.
Wow. Well, I never did.
Huh? It's a weird looking thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
And 16 miles surface to air missile. Bloody hell. I'll have to talk to Nigel. You know, friend of photography.
Oh yeah.
I'm not sure if he used to work on these. He was in the RAF, I guess.
Oh, is he?
Yeah. I have to give him a
bell.
yeah.
Oh.
The old Pegasus engine. The Provost.
Huh?
Provost. What do you call it? It's a trainer, I think. I'm not sure if it's still used. You see these every now and again. 1983, so they're not used anymore.
Wow. Wee, that was exciting.
I enjoyed that.
Did you enjoy that, Bubs?
Yeah, I did. I always love it.
Yeah.
I love military aircraft.
Tell
Always
you,
have.
you'd never move so quick in there.
Always have loved military aircraft since I was a little kid. Like
Yeah.
seeing them fly over.
Yeah, I enjoyed it as well. It's very good.
Yeah.
We saw one of the planes that your uncle flew. And
Great uncle.
great uncle, yeah, flew and what have you. So yeah, it's good. It took us a while to get here though, didn't it?
Yeah, as well. I guess got back in the car now. 3 hours 17 minutes to get home now. So
Yeah, it's a long way
do
to
it
get
now.
home. So
Do the thing now before we head off.
Should be home by 5 o'clock this evening, I think.
Yeah.
Luckily. So yeah. But
Well,
hope you enjoyed.
Yeah. Thank you for
Hope
coming
you
along.
enjoyed what we saw in the museum. That's the word I was looking
You
for.
get there in the end, you will get there in the end.
Yeah, my brain's not clicking today.
Yeah.
So yeah, hope you enjoyed that, and thank you for coming along.
Oh, go back. Someone's reversing in Jesus. He's getting close.
Very close.
Let's get out here.
I think.
Right, you better go.
I think we better. Oh, he's actually going forward, so that's good.
All right. Oh, right. Keep going there.
So, sorry guys, I'm just distracted.
Distracted as someone's about to reverse into the car. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for liking and subscribing. Leave some comments at the bottom.
Yes.
Down there. Down there.
I'm not leaving any comments. Though.
Leave some comments down there.
No comment.
No comment. And see you on the next one.
Yeah. See you next time. Bye.
Love and hugs. Take care. Bye.